Hutchinson system of classification. John Hutchinson in 1884 to 1972. John Hutchinson was a British botanist associated with Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, England. He developed and proposed his system based on Bentham and Hooker's and also on Basie. His phylogenetic system first appeared as the families of flowering plant in two volumes. The first volume contains dicotyledons published in 1926 and second volume contains monocotyledons published in 1934. He made several revisions in different years. The final revision of the families of flowering plant was made just before his death on 2nd September 1972 and the third, that is the final edition, was published in 1973. The picture of John Hutchinson. The following principles were adopted by Hutchinson to classify the flowering plants. Evolution takes place in both upward and downward directions. During evolution, all organs do not evolve at the same time. Generally, evolution has been consistent. Trees and shrubs are more primitive than herbs in a group like genus or family. Trees and shrubs are primitive than climbers. Perennials are older than annuals and biennials. Terrestrial angiosperms are primitive than aquatic angiosperm. Dicotyledonous plants are primitive than monocotyledonous plant. Spiral arrangement of vegetative and floral members are primitive than cyclic arrangements. Normally, simple leaves are more primitive than compound leaves. Bisexual plants are primitive than unisexual plant, and monoecious plants are primitive than dioecious plant. Solitary flowers are primitive than flowers on inflorescence. Type of estivation gradually evolved from contorted to imbricate to volvate. Polymerous flowers precedes oligomerous flowers. Polypetalous flowers are more primitive than gamopetalous flower. Flowers with petals are more primitive than a petalous flower. Actinomorphic flowers are more primitive than zygomorphic flower. Hypogyny is considered as more primitive, from which perigyny and epigyny gradually evolved. Apocarpus pistil is more primitive than Syncarpus pistil. Polycarpy is more primitive than Gynoecium, with few carpels. Flowers with many stamens are primitive than flowers with few stamens. Flowers with separate anthers are primitive than flowers with fused anther and filament. Endospermic seeds with small embryo is primitive than non-endospermic one with a large embryo. Single fruits are primitive than aggregate fruit. He divided the phylum Angiospermi into two subphyla, dicotyledons and monocotyledons. The dicotyledons are further divided into two divisions, Lignocae, that is arboreal or tree habit, and Herbaceae, that is herbaceous habit. The Lignocae include fundamentally the woody representative derived from magnoliales, and Herbaceae includes most of the predominantly herbaceous families derived from rannales. The subphylum Monocotyledons are divided into three subdivisions, Caliciferae, Coroliferae, and Glumiflorae. The division Lignocae was further divided into 54 orders, beginning with Magnoliales and ending in Verbenales. The division Herbaceae was divided into 28 orders, beginning with Rannales and ending in Lamiales. The division Caliciferae was divided into 12 orders, beginning with Butamales and ending in Gingiberales. The division Coroliferae was divided into 14 orders, beginning with liliales and ending in orchidales. The division Glumiflorae was divided into three orders, beginning with juncales and ending in gramineals. So, in the latest system of Hutchinson, the dicotyledons consist of 83 orders and 349 families, and monocotyledon consists of 29 orders and 69 families. This is outline classification of Hutchinson system. Angiospermy divided into dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Dicotyledons divided into Lignocae and Herbaceae. monocotyledon in Caliciflorae, Coroliferae, and Glumiflorae. Merits. Hutchinson proposed the monophyletic origin of angiosperm from some hypothetical proangiosperm having Bennett-Titalian characteristics. He made a valuable contribution in phylogenetic classification by his careful and critical studies. Monocot have been derived from dicots. According to him, the definition of orders and families are mostly precise, particularly in case of subphylum Monocotyledons. Demerits. There is undue fragmentation of families. Too much emphasis is laid on habit and habitat. Thus, creation of Lignocea and Herbaceae is thought to be defect reflecting the Aristotelian view. The origin of angiosperm from Bennett-Titalian-like ancestor is criticized by many because the anatomical structure of the early dicotyledons are not tenable with such ancestry. Thank you.